Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Bitcoin price is again back above 50K. The second thing I want to talk about is that PayPal launches crypto services for UK customers. And the third thing is that there is a mayor of a US city, and he would like to give free Bitcoin to every resident of the city. That's a very interesting thing. So guys, all this in today's video. And yes, I'm back from my 1 week holiday. I relaxed with my family. It was awesome, but now I'm back on track because the crypto market is hot. So guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news, because I'm bringing you the freshest every weekday. My holidays are done for the summer, so now I'm back for a long time now. Maybe next time going on vacation in December, but I will see how the market works. And yes, check out the links under this video. For example, I have a free course for you, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I think a very, very important one with a lot of important information, especially if you're a newbie on this market. Check it out. It's free and you can learn a lot from that. And now it's time to look at the market, because we can see, as I said, Bitcoin above 50,000 again, 50,271 US dollar. This is about a 2.5% increase in the last 24 hours. Ethereum also going up, similar percentage, right now at 3,340 US dollar. When you're looking at the alts, we can see Telecoin 26% up, Nano 17% up, Dash 17% up. Look, Avalanche went actually 154% in the last 7 days. Amazing. And yes, we have, well, very, very few which actually going down just a slightly bit. We have Near Protocol 4% down, Waves 2%, Cosmos 1.7, Odious just a tiny little bit, and yeah, that was it. Pretty much. That the others are not too important. Okay, let's looking at real quick the Bitcoin chart, where we can see that I drew this line here, and we are here going up in this channel. Put it this way. It would be important to cross this line, and then we can become again bullish. But I think 50,000 it's a very important level as one psychologically, because 50,000 it's again a round number. People love these numbers above 60, above 50, about 40, and if we can close above 50, that would be again amazing for Bitcoin. Don't forget, guys, that sooner or later we're going to have a pullback. It's always like this. When you're looking at basically here how it looks like, it went up, we went down, it went up, we went down, up and down. It's always like this. So to having sooner or later a nice 20% pullback, a nice 30% pullback, yes, it's definitely possible. And this would be not financial wise, but another great opportunity to accumulate some of the things with the cryptos you would like to collect. And we can see the altcoin market is doing extremely well. Crazy. You could see Odious went up last week amazingly. Solana, Cardano, you name it. Some of the big coins as well going up very nicely. So definitely it's a good time for alts. And now also Bitcoin is reaching 50,000. Ethereum, we can see just a little bit going sideways now, because we have these Ethereum kind of killers, put it this way, like Solana or Cardano or Polkadot going up very nicely. And maybe some people put their Ethereum, some of them, in other ecosystems as well. But I think Ethereum has a bright future altogether. One thing I want to point out, I found this one on the Moon Twitter channel. He posted it, that, this is Bitcoin versus other assets. And this is the year-to-date return comparison. So whatever happened in this year, in 2021. And look at these crazy numbers. Starting from 1st of January until This goes to the 13th of August, so like 10 days ago was the one. And Bitcoin is going up since, right? Bitcoin went up 70% compared to other assets, where you can see S&P 500 going at 18, Nasdaq 14, Nikkei 0.6, and we have Tesla 3.6 down. Gold, which is, we can compare Bitcoin to gold because Bitcoin is like the digital gold kind of, it's down 6 and 5% compared to 1st of January. So guys, we can see, and this shows how well Bitcoin is performing, how well the crypto market itself it's doing, how well. And yes, I think the future is definitely bright for crypto. With it ups and downs, always calculate it's going to be a bear market again. There's a bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market. This is just how it works. This is the rhythm of the crypto market. So when prices go down, it's not over. It's the opposite. It's the great opportunity, not financial advice, obviously, but just think about it. You can always make money if you shop in the bear market when the prices are down, and when you getting your profits in the bull market when those prices going up. You collected, you accumulated some crypto, Bitcoin, for instance, because it's probably one of the safest one out there. And then, when it goes up, you can get some profit if you wish, and also always keep some, to continue. And when you take some profit, you can enter again on a lower level. And, this is how it works pretty much. Okay, guys, let's move on to the first news. And the first news is all about that Bitcoin is above 50,000 once again. So as I have showed you already, Bitcoin is up, and this is actually great. Here we go, back to this chart again. So where we can see right now when I'm talking here, $50,206 US at the present. We have today a daily green candle so far. It would be very nice to close it above 50,000. Okay, so since plunging to the 29,000 range in late June, Bitcoin prices recovered more than 72%. Just think about it. So it's not long ago. It was this June when we were around 29,000. So anybody who bought the biggest crypto with the biggest market about their Bitcoin has made 72% in about a month and a half. So this is actually, I think, crazy. So meanwhile, Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, which is based on multifactorial sentiment analysis, has flipped from extreme fear, which was here, it's kind of in the red zone, to extreme greed in less than a month. So, what a big turnover. Look here, going like a month ago, and whoa, over there, extreme greed right now. The cryptocurrency market appears to have turned the corner this month, with the combined crypto capitalization currently hovering at roughly 2.2 trillion, according to CoinGecko. By contrast, the combined crypto capitalization dropped below 1.3 trillion during the depths of July bearish market action. Think about it. Last month, the crypto market, the full, it was just below 1.3 trillion. And now it went up and it's almost 2.2. So actually this crazy Bitcoin, it's almost back at 1 trillion, and it was 1.2 kind of roughly there when it peaked. So why Bitcoin initially led the crypto market recovery early this month, many altcoins have since surged. We have seen tremendous gains last week from Solana, from Cardano went like also very well. Don't forget, the launch from Cardano, the mainnet is coming like in September. So basically now the all eyes on the Cardano ecosystem, and you can see Cardano related projects also starting to go up, starting to increase. It could be actually very great. So you should definitely keep an eye on this Ethereum killers, because they growing, and actually I think Ethereum will also continue, but now more eyes on these ones. And definitely these are smaller odds, so actually you can make better gains with that. But as I said, not financial advice. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next topic is that PayPal launches crypto services for UK customers. And, you know, we had recently some troubles with exchanges in the UK, just name it Binance. And, you know, so this was some trouble for UK customers. And now we have the news that PayPal launches crypto services for UK customers. So PayPal customers with verified identities will soon have access to crypto trading. However, crypto transactions for PayPal business accounts aren't yet supported. So it's not for business accounts. Beginning this week, residents of the United Kingdom will be able to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies through PayPal for the first time, marking a significant milestone for the company that began offering digital assets services, you know, less than a year ago. Basically, it happened last autumn when they kind of started with it. The global payments provider announced Sunday that the UK customer will soon have access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash through PayPal website and the mobile app. The announcement marks the first expansion of PayPal cryptocurrency service beyond the United States, a service that first launched in November last year, as I said. Jose Fernandez da Ponte, a senior executive for PayPal crypto division, said, "Our global reach, digital payments expertise, and knowledge of consumer and businesses, combined with rigorous security and compliance control provides us the unique opportunity and the responsibility to help people in the UK to explore cryptocurrency." So, you know, we have seen recently in the UK how many problems with the banks. They refused, transfers to cryptocurrency exchanges, for instance. Binance facing problems. So this is actually a key thing. It's very important. By offering its cryptocurrency services to UK residents, PayPal could play a role in increased exposure to digital assets in the country. It's reported that among all Europe countries, PayPal penetration is highest in the United Kingdom at over 2 million monthly active users. So definitely in Europe, PayPal, in the UK, PayPal is the biggest in Europe. Therefore, actually, it can help in the UK for crypto to grow. So I think this is also a bullish news. Okay, let's move on. And the next topic is about a mayor of a US city, and this mayor would like to give free Bitcoin to all their residents of the city. More and more people realize that how bad, fiat money is, because the value of fiat money is just going down. They just print. For example, even the US dollar, but many other fiat currencies. And just think about those countries like Venezuela, Argentina, Zimbabwe, and so on and so forth, where their money is inflating like crazy. So definitely people looking for alternatives. And here we have now a mayor who is saying free Bitcoin. So mayor of this US city raising funds to give all residents $1,000, but in the Bitcoin. So the mayor of Cool Valley, a city in the United States of Missouri, is raising funds in order to give Bitcoin to all residents in his city. However, he does not want them to sell their Bitcoin immediately. Nothing that when the price of the cryptocurrency is $500,000 per coin. Years later, people are going to really regret selling. So the mayor, as I said, so the Cool Valley plans to give Bitcoin to all residents. Cool Valley is a small US city, in the St. Louis County, Missouri, with a population of about 1,500 people. So the city mayor, however, has an ambitious plan to make residents of his city wealthy, and it involves giving everyone Bitcoin. So he's saying that it's a digital gold. I would like to see every single household in my city receiving some level of Bitcoin, whether it's $500 or $1,000. Meanwhile, some cities in the U.S., are trying to become Bitcoin hubs, including Miami in Florida and Jackson in Tennessee. The mayor of the two cities are trying to get their local governments to accept Bitcoin for payment and potentially keep BTC on their balance sheet. So we can see that cities, getting hot on Bitcoin. And, we have now here a mayor who wants to give every resident some Bitcoin. In this case, about the value of $1,000 right now. And he wants them to keep it until Bitcoin goes up to 500,000. And with this, it could help, the people a lot, because this is 10 times, which means if people, what is right now, receiving $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, that would make the value $10,000 if Bitcoin reaches 50,000 from now on. So I think this is definitely an ambitious plan, and we can see, Miami and, as I mentioned, other cities, and probably the list will just grow, who are supporting Bitcoin and interested in cryptocurrency, and this definitely helps to crypto to grow. And in this year, at the end of the year, the second part of this year, we can definitely have a nice increase. Things looking positive right now. Don't forget, there could always come a black swan event. Always something can happening. Nobody predicted that what happened in May and that the price will drop like it dropped as you could see. But now things changing again back. It's always up and down, up and down. This is how it works, and we will see this time how far we can go up. But after we go up, after that probably we're going down again. So this is the rhythm. You have to understand this. This is how crypto works. Just like stock market, just, with a faster speed, kind of. Okay. Guys, if you like this content, smash the like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you would like to get this daily fresh content about crypto, news, blockchain news, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, bell button, and all. That's it. And then you going to get the notifications as soon as a new video is out on YouTube. Guys, I wish you an amazing day. I'm coming back tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.